Hello everyone, welcome back to All Round Review. It's Mr. Roy here once again. So today we are unboxing the brand new Infinix Note 50 Pro. It came with few exciting freebies and we are going to check them out first before revealing the main box. First up, we've got a free protective case, and it's not your average one here. This case feels premium in the hand with a soft touch finish that should offer a decent protection for your phone. Next is something a bit different. This is a sleek vacuum bottle. Not sure how often you see this in a phone bundle. Then we have what might be the most interesting freebies of all, the MagPower wireless power bank. It's got a 5000 mAh capacity and supports magnetic charging. I will definitely be putting this to the test in the coming days. Now let's get to the star of the show, the Infinix Note 50 Pro. The variant I have here is the 8GB plus 256GB storage model, and yes, the RAM expansion is available, pushing it up to 16GB for even smoother multitasking. Opening the box, we are first greeted by the usual accessory pack that holds all the essentials. Inside we have got the SIM injector pin and some quick documentation. Now this is the Infinix SVIP card, which doubles as the warranty card. Also included a couple of screen cleaning wipes. This is handy for keeping your display spotless. We have the dust absorber, the wet wipes and the dry wipes. Now interestingly, there is a second protective case included in the box, but honestly this one feels a lot cheaper compared to the premium one we've got earlier as a freebie. And lastly, there is a free screen protector here. It's nice to see Infinix is throwing in those extras to get you started from the first day. This is the Note 50 Pro, and let's see what we have here. We also get an MTN data promo card with a pin to redeem some free data. Next up, we have the 90 watts fast charger, and I'll definitely be putting this to the test to see just how fast it is. Alongside it is the USB-C cable. Nothing fancy here, but it gets the job done. And surprisingly, there is also an earpiece included. That's becoming pretty rare these days, so it's thoughtful addition for those who still prefer the classic audio experience. The Note 50 Pro boasts a premium design with a slim 7.3mm profile and a weight of 198 grams according to Infinix. The back panel features a matte finish glass front with aluminium frame. The device features a stunning 6.78 inches AMOLED display, a resolution of 1080x2436 pixels with a 144Hz refresh rate. So under the hood here, we have the Infinix Note 50 Pro, which is powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. And of course, you can expand the RAM virtually, pushing it up to 16GB for an even smoother experience. The device runs on Android 15 layered with Infinix latest XOS 15 skin, which brings a refreshed UI and added features. When it comes to photography, you are getting a 50 megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization backed by an 8MP ultra wide lens. Video recording goes up to 1440p at 30 frames per second, which is great for content creation on the budget. On the front side, there's a sharp 32 megapixel camera up front. I'll be doing a full camera test very soon to see how this Note 50 Pro performs in real world conditions. Low light, portrait, video quality, all of it. And to make things even more interesting, I'll be doing a quick camera comparison with the Tecno Camon 40 Pro and the Redmi Note 14 Pro 2, so we can really see where this phone stands among its rivals, so make sure you don't miss out. Infinix is also stepping up its software game with 12 dedicated AI features baked into the Note 50 Pro, quite similar to what we saw with the 11 AI tools on the Tecno Camon 40 series. Another standard detail is the active halo light at the back. It lights up for notification, charging and even setting AI interactions. So this is one of the free gifts, the MagPower wireless power bank. According to Infinix, it can charge up to 30 watts. That's quite fast for a wireless power bank. Lastly, the Infinix Note 50 Pro offers a compelling package with its vibrant display, robust performance, versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery. It's a strong contender in the mid-range segment, providing excellent value for its price point. So stay tuned for our in-depth review, where we'll explore its capabilities further. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.